So, how do we know Christianity isn't true? It's really pretty easy to get there. Hi, my name's Timmy Gibson. I'm a former fundamental evangelical, Bible thumping, tongue talking, Holy Ghost rolling pastor. Spent 30 years in the ministry, 48 years as a Christian. I'm an atheist now because I realized that it's not true. So, how do we know that Christianity isn't true? It really is easy, okay? When someone makes a claim, especially when you think about the Christian claim, they claim to have the corner market on absolute truth, right? Like this is absolutely true. Like your eternal destiny depends upon this, right? So, what is that one quote that extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence? I mean, I love that. But it's even easier than that. If someone makes a claim, and specifically if they're making a claim that this thing is true, then to all of those who hear that, you would say, okay, show me, prove it. Like, prove it. And then if it's absolutely true, you provide the evidence to prove it, and it's done. Okay? This is why and how we know that Christianity isn't true. It's just like the thing that I've said so many times. It's like if I said, I have a purple dragon in my backyard. Anybody that hears me say that hopefully wouldn't believe it, but maybe I'll start a church of the purple dragon. So most everyone, I think, would be like, nah, I don't think you do. Prove it. I said, okay, come on over. Invited people over. We go into my backyard. There's a purple dragon. They're like, am I seeing what I think is that a purple dragon? Right? I mean, I'm going to take a picture of this because I can't even believe what my eyes are telling me. Take pictures of it. Anyway, there's a purple dragon, right? Therefore, you'd be a fool not to believe in the purple dragon if I could prove it. But in the case of Christianity, it's similar to that claim. I have a purple dragon in my backyard. People say, I don't believe it. Let me see the evidence. And I say, okay, come on over. And they come on over, and I'm like, it's invisible. Right? And you guys probably have heard that. I forget who. It might have been Carl Sagan. I don't know who it was. Someone that came up with that, the purple dragon or the purple, whatever it was. That literally, by the way, cuss and discuss down below. Literally, and some of you Christians are like, I have proof. Matthew chapter 3, verses 4 and 5. Okay, that's not proof. Oh, man. I know that you feel like God has proved it by your heart. Okay, whatever. I know the things that Christians believe. I used to be a Christian for 48 years, and I used to, I know what you think. But this is why I quit being a Christian. I was making claims that I had no proof of. And then I started just questioning myself, going, well, how do I know that this God exists? Like, do I have any proof of this? Do I have any evidence to lead me to continue to believe this stuff? And the answer, clearly no. I mean, no. There is no evidence. So How do we know that Christianity isn't real? How do we know that the Bible God doesn't exist? Well, because nobody can produce any evidence that he does exist, or she. I mean, it's just as simple as that. That's it. That's it. Like, that's it. Deuces.